everyone. I'm doing a quick little unboxing video today. I received this today in the post from Monique at Morgan the Face Trinkets. This is something I ordered on one of my 3 no-spend days that I spent in June on. I ordered this towards the beginning of June and it was shipped on the 17th. And with the holiday here in the States, that always makes stuff a little bit late. And especially Oklahoma, our post office is horrible. So let's see what we have in here. I ordered 2 items. I ordered, she was having a sale on some of the items that they had already made for, you know, some of the pre-made items that they have. Here's my lovely Morgan Le Fay's Trinket Lady Falcon Traveler that I have been using all of last month, and this is one of my books I'm using this month of July for One Book July. Seamus is here with us. I hear him jingling his collar. But I ordered 2 things, and you can see one is small and one is large. And they both have a little envelope. Oh, and he's got a bone with him too. A little envelope with some goodies. But let's look at this little one first. What I'll do is I will link below the other unboxings that I've done of my Lady Falcon Travelers notebooks, and also I will link below one that Mitz from My Life Mitz just did. She got this gorgeous purpley eggplanty, was it an A6 size? I think it was an A6 size, and it is a gorgeous looking notebook. But what I have here are a couple more standard notebooks, and all of her notebooks come packaged so nicely. But I got this because, you'll see, it is her version of the Midori Camel. Oh, the leather is so soft. So buttery soft. And of course it has an insert inside. And I'm not sure if it's so soft because it's so gosh darn hot outside. Here today in Oklahoma, without the humidity, it's only 101. So, you know, with the humidity, only God knows how hot it is. But this is a passport size notebook, and all of her notebooks come with cute little bookmarks. And this is the traditional Midori banding, but she puts 2 in. So you get 2 elastics that you can use instead of the Midori, just the 1. Which is nice because you can put, say, 1 notebook here. I think I have another notebook here on the desk. Yeah. And here's another notebook. So you can have 2 notebooks that way, or you can do both the way you normally do the Midori. But look at that. That's going to hold so much stuff. And it's so soft. Let me smell it. Oh. I am loving the notebooks that Monique makes. So here's one that I ordered. And let's see the little goodies that came with this one. So there's the sticker. And there's her card. So Monique at morganlefacetrinkets.com. Facebook, Morgan Le Fay's Trinket. Instagram, Lady Falcon TN. Website, morganlefacetrinkets.com. And she even has an Etsy store where she sells her wonderful inserts. Oh, and look, it's like a little wing of sorts. Very, very, very cool. Okay, so there's the first one. Now, oh, it's an unboxing. I should do this on camera, right? And if I can get this open, and she did have a few extra of both of these, and they were on a sale price. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. And then that is a traditional Midori Size Camel. Look how beautiful that is. It really reminds me of my real Midori. Except I think I like the leather quality of this better than the Midori. The Midori leather is, I don't know. It's different. It's very different. And she included a gorgeous insert. And again with this, you'll see there are 2 bookmarks. The Midori only gives you 1. Money gives you 2. And look, 2 elastics. So again, you can put something here. And then I don't have another regular size right here with me. Actually, no, yes I do. Here we are. And this is one of our Peaky Dory design grid inserts on the Strathmore paper. So it's a little bit thicker because it's a thicker paper. And see? Oh, and I've got some stuff in it. But aren't those gorgeous? Look at that beautiful leather. Super excited about that. And let's see what goodies came with this one. And I think she makes, again, why don't I do that on camera? All of these little envelopes herself. Oop, I did a lousy job on taping that. Again, her sticker and her business card. Ooh, and look, a beautiful blue thread. And another one of those like leafy leaves. So, there you go. This is the last unboxing I'm going to have for a while because I had the 2 Foxy Fix passports come. I had the 2 Chic Sparrows come. I had the Foxy Fix pencil pouch and these 2. These were the last things that I was waiting on arriving from an order. And I'm doing a no spend at July, which actually has gotten off to a very good start. The only thing, I did buy something yesterday, the mount that I use for my camera broke. So I had to buy a new mount for my tripod. But that's a business expense, and so I'm going to allow that. I think that's okay because it is a necessity, so I can film a video like this. I do have a video coming up that will be about One Book July, and if anything has changed in here, which some things have changed, let's see. Oh, and about my project, the project that I am doing for the project component of version 2.0 of the One Book July. And I got a lot of work done on that project, with this weekend being a long weekend where I didn't have any concerts. I was able to get a huge chunk of work done on that, and then I'll include, you know, some photo and some video of the project. So I will link below Morgan Le Fay's Trinkets Lady Falcon Traveler's webpage. I do know that they are going on a summer vacation, and they're going to be gone for a little over a month. The last few months they have been so busy cranking out notebooks, and she makes such beautiful notebooks and inserts that it's no wonder why it's family vacation time in the Northern Europe. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will link the webpage so you can look at all of the beautiful things that she has to offer, and you might be able to purchase one when she gets back from holiday. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.